said, don't you lose your way. Remember where your soul was made. In the drum beat of the earth, find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Babylon calls with silver chains, but I won't bow to golden names. Riches fade like morning light, but truth will stand and fight. Emancipate your mind today, don't let fear lead you astray. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, Jah light will lead us home. Oh. Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with the golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Jah light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Our drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry her story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight, we'll make it right. From Kingston Street to Lagos Town, from Cape Coast Shore to London Sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Jah love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. One world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hands, chant this song. One word, we belong. Me see the children hungry, crying out, while the leaders fight for clothes. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah Cure. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love, guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed. Hey, every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation lay. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color, red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One word, love we guide. Ubuntu, I am because we are one world family. Near and far, Simone, yeah. Together we rise, Jah light shining. All we eyes from beat echo from shore to shore. One world people, fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free. One world, unity. Rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trench Town Hills to Accra Street, we move to one heartbeat. One world, one heartbeat, Jah plan divine. Peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing the song. One world, where we all belong. Me feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide. Jah love flow like ocean wide. One word, one heartbeat. We ride a bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Whoa 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 whoa. 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 Da 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 da. Whoa 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 whoa. From the hills to the valley low, sacred herbs of Jah still grow. Oh, they call it illegal, but I call it wise. Medicine sent from the highest skies. Herbal vision open up my mind. See the world so pure, so divine. No more chains up my soul.
Open up my soul. Over my mind. Over my mind. Over my mind. Over my mind.
Choo choo choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put chains round our hand, chains round our mind. Teach we fi follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride. The freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jah plan. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jah plan. Freedom train. Alabama, don't you delay. Justice come fi light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beat inna them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train.
Do you hear it? Yes, I hear it. Do you feel it? Yes, I feel it.
Jah calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name.
I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, yeah. And every man, woman, and child deserve to stand.
Freedom, freedom, ride on, ride on.
Freedom train is rolling.
Take the children home.
No one left in the streets alone.
From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Freedom train, can't stop the flame. Jah light, guide the holy name. Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride the freedom train. Choo choo. Ride on, ride on.
Freedom,
Freedom come,
freedom.
no more chain. Ride the train.
Freedom, freedom.
Yeah. Even after the darkest night, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Whoa. Sometimes Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jah see your tears, He hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Oh, trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again. After hurt, after strain, don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. Oh, you may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend, from Kingston town to Berlin land, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jah light shine bright tonight. From the dust of broken town, people cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try for bind, Jah light will take control. Children barefoot in the street, sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we now bow to fear of pain. Cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through with again. Stand together, hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion heart. Burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born. Yeah. Together we born. Together we born. Oh yeah. Peter Tosh says stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Loki Dube cry out prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call Jah name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground. Burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn both we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. Oh, rise up. Oh, aye. Oh, guide us home. One love, one heart, we are never alone. Oh, oh. Oh. Raindrops fall upon the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch heal me deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber dub rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, no fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber dub rain. Like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain. Forever in this rubber dub rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me hair. Let the world run wild out there, we got love to share. Loving out the rubber of rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain, we beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving out the rubber of rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain, we beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows.
Soft chant,
Rub-a-dub, rain.
baby, don't let go. Rub-a-dub,
Rub-a-dub, rain.
love will overflow.
Loving how the rub-a-dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again in rub-a-dub rain. Fall, love call, you and I stand tall. Rub-a-dub rain. Rub-a-dub rain. Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On a one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. On the golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, oh. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, the quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can't cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray. One love, highway. We keep moving, come what may. One love, song. Say old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not tame. Cause a warrior of light must remain. No mama say
No fear, my sun star shine brightest when I come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear. Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light. Jah soldier in the fight. Through the darkness of the night, the spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul. No system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe one love can end the fight.
No Babylon a pressure, Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, me brother, lightly forever. And me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. And me see tears in a mama eyes, still she give life a chance.
Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build hope in a song like a true Rastaman.
From Kingston streets to Nairobi land,
From Soweto Christ to Zion sand.
we sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last chain undone.
Hey, Jah, Jah.
Hey Jah, Jah, stop the way we go.
Oh, Mama Africa.
Your spirit now we flow.
Warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no more.
Fire of love, let it glow, let it glow. I am a warrior of the light, heart blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spite, we choose the path of right. No weapon formed shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light,
Keep marching through the flame. Call Jah name, no shame. We rise again and again, till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love.
standing firm, living proof. Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on, Jah guide me till morning, sunshine bright.
Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. Me spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. Inna the struggle, me find me peace. Inna the storm, me find release. Though the world so cold, me soul still warm. 'Cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Whoa. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man, hold up your head. my sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, oh a King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Asante Jah, thank you Lord. Me heart and soul restored. Umoja for life, peace we trod. Guided by the hand of Jah God. I rise up now, oh children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. A light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore. Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day, every night, every day, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong. Even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jah crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, Jah sun still rise in the morning light. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold Jah flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Urufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them steal we gold, them steal we name, but they can't steal the eternal Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire, oh Jah guide the way. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry but them keep still. Mama say tender way ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Rise up my people. Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we hold the fire in our hand. Rise up, I and I together, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song, no matter how the journey long. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try to take we name, try to take we look, but the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so. Me answer, Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant down greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yo, yes, we answer the call. Djembe, heartbeat, same sound. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Rise up my people. Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro, no fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one fate, one song. Together we forever strong. Freedom shall come. One love, one heart, Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say amen, Jah Rastafari.
Rain fall from my window, silence in her room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you down on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in a deep pain. Hold on strong, keep moving on. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. From Trench Town streets to Cape Town sky, we lift with voice, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dance in rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, home in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow. Tomorrow brighter than today, we know. One heart, one road, we go. We go. Tears turn to freedom. No more fear. Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight.
Hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call my name. Say, son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall. Me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through my vein. The system try to break me down, but my spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling, I'm a dream last night. Come home, my child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in our bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant down Babylon every dawn, till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world learn. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Wear your crown. Simone, yeah. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu, Jah fire, keep the spirit bright. Drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. Rise of the lion, roar roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase Jah master plan. Drums of freedom call our name through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again, mama. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy back. But Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant, Hakuna Hofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper, Jah is here. From diaspora tears we climb, turning sorrow into holy rhyme. Oh, Uhuru, Uhuru,
Mama land we coming home.
Amandla Awetu,
Power to the people.
Jah guide, Jah shield, we never alone.
Africa we rise again. Africa we rise again.
Oh mama, oh mama, yeah. Africa we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. One heart, one drum, one destiny. Jah bless Africa, Jah bless humanity. Yeah. Rastafari. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beat na my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sun to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild.
They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still live on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop Jah people rise high. Roots man vibration,
Feeling on the ground.
drum and bass keep rolling round and round.
From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, Jah light never lost, it's always found.
Roots man vibration,
Rise up and stand.
all your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. Which one is roots man vibration?
Me see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as I am breathe. Freedom grow like fruit on the tree.
Some say progress mean forgetting past, but without root, no tree can last. So stand tall, my brothers and my sisters. The root at the start, not the end.
Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jam down land.
One Jah, one heart, one stand.
Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Hey, Jah, Jah, we still hold on.
drums take up the war.
Freedom voice echo for all.
No more chain, no more fear.
We bring the message loud and clear. Rootsman vibration,
Light up the sky.
Jah spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Rootsman heart forever strong. Drum still beating, fire still burning. Rootsman stand tall, Jah still turning. Africa, my mama, feel your call. One world, one love, for all who care.
When the night come down, me heart start to hum. A sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash my sorrow, you ease my pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. Me find my peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray. Cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. It's a sweet melody of your love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of Jah love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we are. Me remember when my life feel dry. You bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain. It heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In your arms me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to Jah's sweet song. Through this struggle, me not complain. Cause love like ours never go in vain. And sweet melody of Jah love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heartbeat one again. Oh, sweet melody of Jah love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah loving our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah light. When darkness comes, we still hold tight. Cause love is strong, Jah make it right. All together, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. And sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on. Cause this love will never done. And sweet melody Kingston streets to the Nile. Walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile. Walk tall. Yeah, they can steal gold, they can steal a crown, but never the rhythm or the drum beat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana shore, your blood remember what you're fighting for. Yeah, yeah. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. But on, lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawling. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile. Walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile. Walk tall with. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whispers, son, the world can change today if we all love tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope to hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land, but the blood one flame. Hand in hand, no matter the skin. Black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only win. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity of the law of Jalan. Elders say, history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn, but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand, me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. Oh mama Africa, your drum beat till the earth, your drum beat till the earth, yeah. Zion children rise up high, lift that spirit to the sky. Mama sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand, Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children's eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion Plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier, never walk in vain. Me see kings with crown but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide. Them build border but love no wall. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echoing every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Them mama Africa,
we feel your heartbeat.
Oh brothers rise and fight.
Stand for truth and
Stand broken spirit high.
no more tears, no more.
Jah light guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no chains again. Let the fire of freedom reign. From Kingston town to Soweto plain, we chant till the whole world gain. Stand tall, no chains again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no chains again. Stand tall, my friend. Till the very end, Jah love we defend. Oh, na, 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 na. Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call Jah name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, steal the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama say son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud. No change pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Trenchtown to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by our side, we will never die.
Drums beating like a thunder in my chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
No, chant down Babylon.
Shut them down till the morning comes.
Stand up everyone, one heart, one soul, we strong.
Africa, we home again.
Mama Africa, heal the pain.
We rise like the bright red flame.
Freedom chant we are singing loud. No chains pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sound. Me smile and say, still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it changed the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. Burn through the night, love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above forever. Rebel of love. In the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom hand in hand. Love, go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call, Jah guide, we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. Rebel of love, rebel of love, hear me call, Jah guide, we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. Rebel of love, Ubuntu, brother, love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry high. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice. Rebel of love, we make the choice. No more fear, no more pain. Love reign again. Yeah, rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the Maya, from Trenchtown to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong, beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Me and you, hand in hand, love rebuild the broken land. Rebel of love, we won't give up, cause Jah pour the blessing in our cobra score. Rebel of love. Yeah, rebel of love. They teach us life from the day we born. Say keep your head low, don't question none. But miss the truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Yeah.
No bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution come in a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time to see through Babylon disguise.
One drop revolution, beat of the heart. Freedom sound, tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. One drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music kill the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. No, 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 no.
Drop revolution,
Yeah, no, 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 no.
one drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
Drop revolution,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
one drop revolution.
Me see the leaders talking on big TV, but hungry still up on every street. me see. Them build it too high, forget the poor. How long we are suffer more? Me tell me people unite, don't fight. Light overcome the darkest night. From Trenchtown straight to Jakarta sun. The freedom song just begun.
Can't silence truth with silver chain. Can't stop the root from grow again. So we're chanting out the name of Jah. Rebel with love, that's who we are.
One drop revolution, sound of the drum. We rise again no matter where we from. From Kingston town to world vibration. Freedom spread like fire nation. One drop revolution, no turning back. Stand firm, we punch a chalk. Sing it loud, no more confusion. Lovely the one drop revolution. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fire for corruption, fire for greed. One drop give the people what them need.
Rise up, youth man, don't be blind. Truth and love, free your mind.
Jah rhythm break the wall. Revolution for one and all. One drop revolution.
Shake the ground, write your song all around. No more chain, no more illusion. We march with one drop solution.
One drop revolution, strong and free. This is Jah prophecy. Play the drum, chant the song. Love and freedom, live wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Drop revolution.
Why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
Revolution.
Why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no. Beat of the drum.
Ah,
Oh, out of the people.
Revolution come.
Oh.
peaceful but equal.
One drop forever.
Jah guide this people, yeah.
Since the day I saw your smile, time froze for just a little while.